So I heard Tecno is releasing a flip very soon. It's going to be called the Phantom V Flip. This is a big deal in my opinion. Tecno is a very innovative brand. Anyway, the issue I have with Tecno is that if you buy a Tecno device and it ships with the Android 13, it's going to be stuck with the Android 13 and perhaps you'd get security updates for that year alone. And that's it. The support has ended. It's completely different from other brands like Xiaomi, for example, Samsung, and Apple. Apple supports its iPhone models for up to 6 years, sometimes more. Samsung up to 4 years. Xiaomi up to 4 years. So that's the issue I have with Tecno devices. The same goes for Infinix. Well, it's not surprising because these two brands, Infinix and Tecno, are owned by the same manufacturing company. I think the name of the company is Transsion. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, this device, the Phantom V Flip, its top specifications has been reviewed and they are great. The device is going to have a thickness of 7.5mm, that's when it's in its unfolded state, and the thickness is expected to double if the device is folded. The phone would also feature a 6.9-inch foldable Amoled display with a full HD Plus resolution and a 20.5:9 aspect ratio. It's also going to feature a rear display, a 1.32-inch rear display or cover display with 466 by 466 pixels. In the camera department, the device would feature a dual rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor and a 13MP secondary snapper, which is expected to be an ultra-wide lens. And as for selfies, the device is going to be equipped with a 32MP front-facing camera. The phone is also going to house a 4000 mAh battery with fast charging support. For now, the charging speed is not revealed, but I expect the charging speed to be up to 120 watts or at least 66 or 67 watts. But I know it's going to be really fast. It's going to be powered by the Dimensity 8050 chip paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. The device is also going to ship with the latest Android 13 with Tecno's custom skin on top, which is the iOS 13. Other features of the phone includes Bluetooth 5.3, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, and perhaps NFC. So according to the leaks, this device is going to be available in 3 shades, including minimal black, fume white, and periwinkle purple. So these are the top features of the Phantom V Flip that was leaked. The device is expected to be released on the 22nd of September. So until then, do not take this leak seriously, just take it with a pinch of salt. But what's your take about this upcoming device from Tecno? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.